Koblenz is a city in western Germany situated at the confluence of the Rhine and Moselle rivers. It is in the state of Rhineland-Palatinate, one of the 16 federal states of Germany. The city has a rich culture. There are many well-preserved medieval and Renaissance architecture. It was occupied by the Romans, Celts, and various Germanic tribes. Koblenz is a popular tourist destination with many attractions. Some popular things to see and do in the city include the Ehrenbreitstein Fortress, a massive fortress located on a hilltop opposite of the city of Koblenz. It is one of the largest and best preserved medieval fortresses in Europe. The fortress was built over a period of several centuries. The construction started in the early 1200s and continuing through the 1800s. It has served as a military fortification and a residence for royalty. Today the fortress is a popular tourist destination, offering panoramic views of the city and the surrounding region. The fortress can be reached via a cable car from the city. Another tourist attraction worth visiting is the German Corner. It is the location of a statue of Kaiser Wilhelm I, which was erected in 1897 to commemorate the founding of the German Empire in 1871. This monument is located at the confluence of the Rhine and Moselle rivers. It offers great views of the city and the river. The area is a popular tourist destination and offers beautiful views of the city. And you can enjoy the beautiful view of the river Moselle and Rhine. Another interesting place worth visiting is the Old Town. The Old Town is a charming and historic district in the heart of the city. The Old Town of Koblenz has romantic and winding streets. There are many beautiful squares where numerous cafes invite you to stay and enjoy your time. On its squares, Koblenz offers the right thing for every taste, from the dreamy Old Town to the modern shopping mile. If you like this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.